Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in making money online, you have probably heard of affiliate marketing. It is a popular way to earn passive income by promoting other products and getting a commission for each sale you generate. But how do you get started with affiliate marketing? And what are the key things you need to know to succeed? In this video, I'm going to share with you all the basics of affiliate marketing, from finding the right niche and products to promote, to building a target audience and creating content that converts. Whether you're a complete beginner or an expert marketer, you will learn practical tips and strategies to take your affiliate game to the next level. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of what it takes to start and succeed in affiliate marketing. So if you are ready to turn your passive income or expertise into a profitable online business, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let's get started. Okay, so a beginner also might ask, what is this affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. You simply sign up for an affiliate program and receive a unique link to the product or service you want to promote. You share this link on your website, blog, social media, or other platforms to attract potential buyers. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right products to promote, build an audience or following, and create high quality content, and of course subscribe to this channel. And when someone clicks on it to read and clicks on our affiliate link and buys the product, we earn some commissions. Okay guys, so to begin with affiliate marketing, you have to select an affiliate marketplace. So some examples of affiliate marketplace I know is Amazon Associates. Here you promote physical or digital products and earn a commission once someone makes a purchase. And also another one is Clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is another one. I like it very much. And another one also is Digistore 24. This is my personal favorite, Digistore 24. And a new affiliate marketing platform that helps beginners in affiliate marketing to make money is DHgate. It is very simple and easy to promote products on DHgate, and it's very easy to also make commissions. Okay, so let's dive into the strategy number one. So the strategy number one is to sign up to any of this affiliate marketing place, and I like Digistore the most, so I'll just click on register here to sign up on Digistore. After clicking on the register now button, it will bring you to this page which says Digistore 24 sign up. Enter your public username, your email address, your password. You repeat your password and you tell them the main source of revenue. You agree to their B2B contract and privacy policy and click on continue. I have an account, so I'll just quickly log in. So after signing up, the next step is product selection. And to select a product, we are looking for four main features. That is profit to be made, cancellation rate, cut conversion, niche of the product, which is very important. So to choose a product, all you have to do is just look at a product and check its commission or profit, check its cancellation rate, its cut conversion, and the niche in which the product can be found. But I have already found a product which meets all these four criterias, and this product is in the dating, love and relationships niche. Here, this product is his secret obsession, insane conversions, and 90%. This product gives a profit of 90%, which is $32.7 US, and a cut conversion of 10%, which means out of 100 people who attempt to buy this product, 10 of them will actually buy it, and cancellation rate 14.2%, which is not that bad compared to fake traffic other affiliate marketers use to promote the product. So all we have to do is just open the sales page for this product, the affiliate support page for this product, and also claim the link by clicking on promote now. So this is how the affiliate sales page looks like. So this is how the customer or the client will see the page when he or she visits it, or he or she can also skip to text presentation since this is a video here. So this is how the text presentation also looks like, and for the affiliate support page, this is how it also looks like. So this is where they'll give us the banners, the sample email swipes, the hooks and angles, the product review, and many more affiliate supporting materials. So the first method for promoting affiliate products is by using Facebook. So Facebook is one of the largest social media platform on the internet. So to use Facebook to drive traffic to our affiliate program, all we have to do is just look at the niche in which our product or the product we selected was in, and then go on Facebook and say, you can see here is dating, love and relationships. So we just come here and click on groups. So after clicking on the groups button, and it brings us to this page, all we have to do is just click on the search groups here, and remember that our product is in the dating, love and relationship list. So we have to search a group which is maybe dating, like so, dating, then we hit the search. So as you can see here, Facebook dating for singles near me, older women seeking younger men for friendship worldwide. So dating disabled. So let's go with maybe dating disabled, since this is a public group. So you just click on visit. So after you click on the visit button, it will bring you to this page, and all you have to do is just scroll down a little bit and click on this button which says write something. Then here you can write something along the lines of DM me for tips on how to make your relationship last longer, and maybe we select a background for this post like so and click on post. So as you can see here, it says your post is pending, your post is awaiting admin approval. If the admin team approves it, it will become visible in the group. When your post is being approved, people will start DMing you and you start talking to them. So when you talk to them for a few days, you introduce your link to them. Okay guys, so the next method is the Quora method. So for the Quora method, all we have to do is just come over to Quora.com, sign up and click here which says search Quora, and just type in something like and hit the enter or search. So after you hit the search button, all you have to do is just come here which says by type, then click on questions. So after you sort it by questions, as you can see, it says what are the best romantic relationship tips. So all you have to do is just click on the answer button. So after you click on the answer button, all you have to do is just type in your answer. Obviously you should spend some time doing research, then you insert the link you copied from Digistore 24 into the answer. So for the next method, you have to head over to Pinterest.com like so. Then you click on the create button and then create pin. So now after clicking on the create pin, as you can see, it drops you to this page where you can see it said add your title, drag and drop or click to upload. So you might be wondering what we are coming to do and how we get pins to post on this website to convert traffic. So remember that we opened the affiliate support page of the product, this product I mean. So all we have to do is just go back to it here. As you can see, it says banners. So we click on here, image banners. Then you can see this one, get 90 commission. Just skip the commission bump and go straight to the tools. So after clicking on the link, all you have to do is just come here to image and videos, then Pinterest images. So all you have to do after this is just scroll down a bit and click on download or full resolution zip here. So then as you can see, the zip folder has been downloaded. So all I'll just do is just open it up. So after opening the downloaded zip folder, here is all the content. So as you can see, these are high converting Pinterest pins that can be used to get customers from Pinterest. So as you can see, these are some examples of the pins. So all we have to do is just go back to Pinterest like so, and then go back to Pinterest like so, and then drag and drop one pin from this part to here. And after dragging, all we have to do is just type something like men can't resist like so. Then we type the about of the pin. Then to add the destination link, we just head over to Digistore, click on the promote now button, get our link, then we paste it here. Then all we have to do is just click on the save button to publish the pin. The third and final method is to go over to medium.com. Now, Medium is a website that ranks very high on Google for articles. So let's say 3 websites that pay $50 plus for a single article about writing. When we insert this keyword into Google or any other search engine, you see this article here has a very high chance of ranking. So all we have to do is just click on the right button here. We're going to write something about how to maintain your relationship. So in order to release stress, all we have to do is just go to ChatGPT and give this command to it for the article to be written for us. So I'll quickly prompt it to do so. So as you can see here, ChatGPT is done writing our article. So all we have to do is just copy the article like so, copy it and head back to medium.com and then paste the article here. Then all we have to do is just add the title and then insert links or images into this article. And whenever someone searches about this blog post is very likely to rank. And when someone clicks on it to read and clicks on our affiliate link and buys the product, we earn some commissions. So if you want me to make a video highlighting one of the methods in the video, feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and I will not hesitate to do that for you. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.